Hi guys, this is Paula Ram with Coastal Conservatory coming to you live from Naples at sunset, again, our favorite time of day. And, first let me tell you what Coastal Conservatory is. Coastal Conservatory, we help families live intentionally to cultivate their own family enterprise. So that could be anything that helps fulfill your mission and what is important to you in life. And it could be your own home family business or anything that furthers your family mission. About 6 years ago, I found a direct sales product that I absolutely fell in love with. I decided to start selling them, even though as an introvert, the thought of actually going to friends and family and asking them to buy my stuff really was horrifying to me. That was something I never wanted to do. I never wanted to be one of those people. I never wanted to be in direct sales or network marketing or anything like that, where you have to actually ask people to join your team or buy your stuff just to help you. I couldn't even fathom doing that, but I was won over by finding this product that you couldn't find anywhere else, and it was so amazing that I had to share it with other people. So that's how I got in. I knew, like, if I love this so much, I know other ladies are going to love it too. And it was just kind of a no-brainer then to join the company and share it with other people. So I joined, and about the same time, a couple other things happened that had a big effect. One was one of my favorite bloggers that I was following put a post out on her blog saying that she was opening up her blog for advertising. I was like, I think these ladies on this blog would really like this awesome product I have. This is exciting. I should do a review and giveaway on this blog. That would be really cool to find out if that would be a way to sell this product. And then another thing happened at the same time. Friends of ours were trying to adopt, and as you know, that can be super expensive, sadly. And I wanted to help them out, and I thought, hey, let's combine this. Let's do a fundraiser for their adoption on this blog, and let's just see what happens. Just experiment and see what happens. And I approached my friend about it and told her my idea, and that I would be donating all the proceeds to their adoption. And then later, after I made that offer, I thought that was probably a bad idea to tell her, because if I didn't make any sales, that would be super embarrassing. So anyway, I was in it now. I had contacted the blogger, and we got that set up. And I stayed up late that night when the blog post was supposed to be live, and kept waiting for it. And it finally came up, and she had just did a beautiful job and featured the product so beautifully. So I'm still forever thankful to her for doing that. And lo and behold, some people actually started buying. I actually started getting sales through my website, and I was so excited. I think I probably jumped up and down and yelled or something like that, but that's possible. So it started getting sales. I thought, this can work. Actually selling your direct sales product or network marketing product online actually can work. You don't have to do the home parties, you don't have to do the shows, you don't have to bug your friends and family. You can actually promote it to people, and if they want to buy, they can. If they like the product, they can. They aren't buying just because they feel obligated to, or they have to because, you know, you're friend or family, so I guess they should buy something. So this was only people who wanted to buy, and then those people returned and bought again and again because they loved the product too. And then a strange thing started happening that took me really by surprise, and that was that a lot of these customers started coming to me. I remember the first one asking me, hey, tell me more about the opportunity to sell these. I was like, why are you asking me this? I just wanted to sell a few few of these. I wasn't intending on building a team or recruiting anybody, but I was like, okay, so I told her about it, and she enrolled, and she started doing the same thing, and she got sales, and she built a team, and then more ladies started coming on and getting on blogs and doing the same thing and building their teams. And then many of these bloggers said, hey, we went in on this as well. This is a great product that looks like you're selling. So these bloggers would sign up. So eventually my team just grew massively to where it's now over 4,000 people, and it's just doing crazier than my wildest dreams when I just wanted to, sell a few and help our friends out with their adoption.